Hello everyone! Today we are here to explore the therapeutic community. And before we proceed, we will introduce ourselves first. Hi, I'm Janie Colosano. This is
Hi, I'm Vincent. Hi, I'm Baksan.
Hi, I'm Andrea. Hi, I'm Arian.
Today we are talking about the TCMP. While we're here, I have 3 questions about the therapeutic community. The first one is, what are the objectives of therapeutic community?
There are 4 objectives of the TCMP. The first one is the behavioral attitudinality. Ang ginagawa nila dito is minamodify nila yung bad or harmful behaviors ng isang tao through social learnings and choice impulses. The second one is the life skill development. Dito naman is tinutulungan nilang gumawa ng decision making yung kanilang kliyente and tinutulungan din nila ito gumawa ng strategies to handle their life in the community.
Sa reintegration in society. So, ginagawa naman dito, ready to conduct na siya in the real world. So, kailangan dito ng build confidence, good vibes, and skills para makapag-smooth ang pagbalik nila sa community. And sa self-instinct naman, or emotional management. Dito naman, nag-blow up sila dito. Hindi lang sa panloob or sa panlabas. Kasi dito, kailangan dito i-boost dito yung sarili nila. Marunong silang mag-handle. Marunong silang mag-handle ng feelings gamit healthy cup. So, yun lang.
And the second one is, what is your insight about the therapeutic community philosophy?
When I say therapeutic community philosophy, sinasabi dito na naniniwala sila na ang mga tao dito ay mayroong kakayahan magbago at gumaling sa puso at suporta ng isang lugar. Meron tayong sinatawag dito na circle model, where members live together, o may tinatawag din tayo living learning, saan yung mga tao dito mayroon silang kakayahan ng mabuto na magbigayan ng suporta sa isa't isa. Meron din silang nagbibigayan din sila dito ng responsibilidad para matuto at magkaroon ng growth sa sarili yung tao. Meron din tayo tinatawag na dual role method na ito yung receiving and giving help. Kung saan meron tao na magbibigay sa ilang tulong. Siyempre, ikaw yung tao na mag-iisip ng tulong yung tao na magbibigay. So, yun lang naman yung natutunan ko about sa therapeutic community.
Okay, and lastly, what is the salient feature of therapeutic community?
Ang salient features of therapeutic community ay tumutulong sa mga individual na magbago. Kumbaga, magkaroon silang support system para mabago ang kanilang behavior at magkaroon ng personal growth.
So, yung therapeutic community, it's a powerful approach about to healing and recovery. So, yung therapeutic community, it's nakaka-help siya sa individual to recover themselves and free sila. Walang yung therapeutic community, wala siyang halong any judgment, and yun, nakakapag-build din sila ng relasyon sa ibang tao. And yung therapeutic community, it's nakaka-help siya mas lalo sa mabigyan ng space to explore their feelings and thoughts and behavior sa